Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to shop inside Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to shop inside your Instagram app, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just look for the brand with which you want to shop on Instagram. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Here's the sponsor, so I'm going to select this one here. Just tap on it and it will be open in your Instagram, not in any browser or any website. So here you can search for different brands, different things. Let's say I'm gonna select this one from here, this shirt at the code. So I'm just scroll down here, and from here you have to select your size. Let's say I'm gonna select medium here, and here's your color has the white selected. So you just have to scroll down. Here's the quantity. You can order more than one, and here you can add it to your cart or you can also buy it now. So I'm going to select add to cart option, so it will be added to my cart here. Or you can also select order now to order this now. So in this way you can easily shop inside your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.